A very sweet good morning, dear children. Welcome in SST class. Children, today we are going to discuss about one more physical feature of India. And you just listen carefully and try to give me the answer. Okay? This chapter deals with the place where it hardly ever rains. Where it hardly ever rains. Okay? Where plants seldom grow, the hot sun scorches and winds which are very strong whip the sand and dust from the ground. Okay, you can see this animal. You can see this animal. You can see this animal means a camel occasionally walking through the sand. Can you guess? Yes, you are absolutely right. I'm talking about the Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert. So children, today we will discuss about Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert. So let's start. So children, chapter number 4, the Great Indian Desert. A desert is an unproductive land. It's not productive land. It's unproductive land. Means it's infertile. मतलब जहाँ पे फर्टिलिटी जो है वो बहुत डाउन होती है, फर्टाइल लैंड नहीं है ये. इट्स अनप्रोडक्टिव लैंड with which may be hot or cold. Hot deserts are dry and sandy, and the Great Indian Desert is also dry and sandy. Okay, cold deserts are icy and dry. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert. So what is the other name of Great Indian Desert? That is Thar Desert. It is a hot, dry and sandy land. You can see this pic. This is the pic of Thar Desert. It's a hot, dry and sandy land. So I'm showing you the model of Great Indian Desert. You can see this is the model of Great Indian Desert. Everywhere sand is there. So here you can see this is sand dune. Sand dune. So what's the meaning of sand dune? Sand dune means low hill of sand. Okay. So you can see here camel. Okay. Camel is the most important animal in this area. Okay. Because camel can live without food and water for many days. And it can walk easily on sand also. Okay. And the people traveling on camel in groups that form a karma. I'll show you tomorrow the pic of karma also. The camel is popularly called the ship of the desert. Right. Because its skin is used for making tents. Hair also for clothes and carpets. Means it's a very important animal in desert area. So this is the model of, you can see model of desert. Here sand is there. Okay. Means here scanty of rainfall. Owing to scanty rainfall and lack of water, only scattered bushes and thorny shrubs are found here. Okay. So this is the model of desert. So it's clear. So now we'll read about, you can see, we'll read about the Thar Desert is located in the northwest of the Aravalli Hills. Okay, I'm showing the location of Thar Desert. Now you will see here, I'm showing a pic. Here you can see, here this side, Aravalli Range. Which side is this? East side, Aravalli Range. Here, northeast side, Satluj River. Okay. West side, Indus River here. Our neighboring country Pakistan is also here. Okay. And south side run of Kutch. So it is clear. So this is the location of Great Indian Desert. You just keep in mind. Okay. East side Aravalli Range. Northeast side here is Satluj River. West side Indus River. Our neighboring country Pakistan is also here. And south side run of Kutch. So it is clear. So now we'll read about the Thar Desert is located in the northwest of the Aravalli Hills. It is an extension of the Arabian Desert of Saudi Arabia. Extension means means addition of the Arabian Desert of Saudi Arabia. Okay, it spread into Pakistan as the Sindh Desert. Okay, so in India, in Rajasthan, some parts of Haryana, Gujarat and Punjab. In these 4 states, Thar Desert is there. Okay, and in Pakistan, it's called Sindh Desert. It spread into Pakistan as the Sindh Desert. The Great Indian Desert stretches from the Run of Kutch in Gujarat, passing through Rajasthan till the Haryana border. So as I showed you, so it's clear. Generally, desert is a flat area covered with loose sand. At some places, there are small hills of sand called sand dunes. As I showed you in the model also, you can see again. So here sand dune. Okay. So this is sand dune, low hill of sand. Okay. Low hill of sand. You can see. Okay. Low hill of sand. Right. At some places, there are small hills of sand called sand dunes. Hot and dry winds blow here. They carry large amount of sand with them, and these winds can shift the sand dunes. There are very few streams in the desert. Few streams, बहुत कम, small rivers. Okay. These too mostly remain dry. At some places, underground water comes to the surface. These places are called oases. You can see this is the peak of an oasis. Okay, it is very close. You can see here. Okay, I'm showing you the model of an oasis also. Okay, so be ready. I'm showing you. So you can see this is the model of an oasis. Okay, so what is an oasis? An area in the hot and dry desert. ये देखिए desert area में hot and dry desert where underground water comes to surface through a spring. ये underground water surface पे आ गया है with the help of a spring, and इसके आसपास जो है you can see some plants means. Okay, so it is clear. So this is the model of an oasis. Okay. Date palm grow here. The land around an oasis is fertile. इसके आसपास की जो land है वो fertile होती है. Most villages are situated near an oasis. So it's clear. Well, now we'll read about the climate. Climate. The desert regions remain hot and dry throughout the year. There is very little or no rainfall. During the summer season, the days are very hot and the nights are cool. During the winter season, days are warm and the nights are very cold. So it is clear. So I'm telling you again, the desert has an extreme climate. यहाँ का जो climate है वो extreme होता है. Okay, right? Extreme means highest degree. Okay, with very high temperature in the summer and dropping to very low temperature in the winter. In summer days are hotter than nights. This is because sun gets hotter during day very quickly and cools down faster at night. In winter days are pleasant, nights being cold. So it's clear. A hot and dry climate means that big trees can't grow here. Only plants that can survive on little water grow here, such as cactus. So it is clear. So now you can see village women walk long distances to get water for domestic use, because water is always in short supply. Water is always in short supply here. So you can see the village women. Okay. So now you can see. Here life is not comfortable. Western Desert area, life here is not comfortable. There is a harsh climate condition. Okay. This is the major reason that this region is partially populated. Okay. And most of areas means most of them are near oases. Water is not easily available, right? in these areas. But here near the oasis, water is easily available for domestic and agriculture purposes. So what government has done? Government ने क्या किया? The state government of Rajasthan is trying to prove water not only for household use but also to irrigate the fields. Water from the river Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Rajasthan Canal, also called the Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, this canal helps farmers to grow different crops such as wheat, jawar and bajra, and it has made large part of Rajasthan green. So it is clear the government ने क्या किया? Government ने क्या किया? एक इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल or you can see Rajasthan Canal has been built to bring water from the Satluj River. Okay, so the shortage of water is the main problem in the western desert of India. So the women have to bring water from far places, even for domestic use also. Okay, and the government is working on the project to supply water not only for domestic use but also on irrigating the farms. And it is now finalized that Indira Gandhi Canal, and that is for the farmers to grow different crops as well as for the domestic use also. So it is clear, children. So children, today you have to read page number 28 and page number 29 up to here. Okay. So children, bye all of you. Have a wonderful time.